Meet the crocodile, Kit's nursery rhyme. How lesson in the river with a big white smile. Green scaly skin and teeth so bright, creeping slowly, a funny sight. Splash and play, splash, splash, in the water deep. Crocodile dives with a gentle leap. Waves are dancing, fish swim by. Look at him swim, oh my, oh my. Friends along the river, frogs go hop and birds go tweet. Turtles paddle with tiny feet. Crocodile waves his tail so long, everyone joins in a river song. Hide and peek, 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 from behind the tree. Crocodile hides and laughs with glee. Children giggle and clap their hands, watching him move along the sands. Time to rest! Now the sun sets, the river glows. Crocodile yawns and slowly doze, dreaming of adventures in the stream. Tomorrow brings another fun day's gleam.